Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this 1964 Volkswagen Karmann-Ghia convertible. Very well known, coach built car, beautiful presentation, dark blue with a black interior. Hop on in, do a cold start, we'll take it for a ride. Okay, so here we are in our Karmann-Ghia convertible. Beautiful summer day. Do a little cold start here for you. Pump it once. She fires right up. No tack. Got a speedometer, fuel gauge, and a clock. We'll warm her up and we will be back to you. All right, so we have a little temp in our Karmann-Ghia convertible. It's got a great modern radio hidden away in the glove box. Beautiful color combination. Really great day for convertible here. Nonetheless, a coach-built convertible. It's been restored. Really nice car, top and bottom. We have underside pics of this car as well. Drives well, brakes well, feels good. Really great little car. We will wait for them to cross the street here. So really great cruising car, as long as nobody comes out and ruins our day here. Make a right over here. Again, coach built. Really can't buy a coach-built car for this kind of money, let alone in this condition. Somebody spent a bit of money redoing this car. You could tell, condition of the paint, the interior, carpeting, engine compartments really nice and clean, very well detailed. Get a lot of attention in this car too. Everybody knows what it is. Lots of thumbs ups, lots of nice cars. So if you don't like attention, I probably would not buy this car. But if you like a lot of value for the money, then I would buy this car. We're gonna come up here to the S's and we'll put her through her paces a little bit. All right, coming up to the S's here. Great little exhaust note from that little 1200cc, 4-cylinder, air-cooled, 4-speed manual gearbox. Takes a little while to get going, but when you're going, she cruises quite well. Again, beautiful day for a convertible. It's got a fully insulated soft top, folding soft top, which is really nice. Close the windows, put the top up, and it's very nice here. So we're going to come up here, we will do some drive-bys for you, and we will see you shortly. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I don't know if you can tell, but I definitely did. It's such a cool experience being in a Karmann-Ghia. Like nothing else. Beautiful flowing lines. Really simplicity at its best. Easy to service, easy to maintain. Great, great cars. Again, this one in particular, someone spent a lot of money on it, and it's a great bargain at this point. So we're going to come up here to the farm road and we'll put her through her paces one last time for you. All right, here we are. Coming up to the farm road here. Well, you're definitely not going to win any races here, but that's not what this car is designed for. The pure enjoyment, the feel, the feedback. Again, simplicity of this car is what makes it what it is. Besides the beautiful flowing lines and a great color combination. Really nice car. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely did. Like and subscribe. Comment below. And we will catch you on the next one.